Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So actually it depends on what kind of browser you're using. I'll show you how to do it using the Chrome provided by Google and how to do it using the browser provided by Samsung. So let's begin with maybe this one. Let's open the browser and let's tap on this three bars icon. Now let's choose the settings and let's scroll to privacy and security. Let's tap on it, and as you can see in the personal data section we've got delete browsing data, so let's tap on it, and here we can decide what we want to remove. So we can remove browsing history, cache and cookies and site data, and what's more, we can remove passwords, out of inform data and location access data. So for example, let me pick also passwords and out of inform data, and if you are ready, click on delete. And this is it. This is how to remove and clear browsing data in your browser provided by Samsung. Let me show you how to do it in Chrome. So simply open the Chrome. Let's tap on this three dots icon, click on history and click on clear browsing data. And as you can see, this is the same situation. Here we've got some advanced and basic options. In basics we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data and cached images and files, and in advanced also saved passwords, out of inform data and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range here from last hour to last 7 days, for example. And now if you're ready, click on clear data. And this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.